Hello, welcome to TCL Tutorials. Turn on your TV. Press Power button. Press Home button. Choose Settings in the upper right corner of Android TV menu. You will see Network option. Click it. Turn on Wi-Fi. Now you will see your Wi-Fi name. Click it and insert your Wi-Fi password. After you insert the password, click Enter. Done. Thank you for watching. If you want to get more information, visit us at tcl.com.